Hey guys, welcome back to the Ace Effect. My name is Keith. It's been a long time since I did a video, and I apologize for that. A lot of stuff going on, a lot of kid sports, but wanted to get this video out there. About a month ago, probably about the time I made my last video, I picked this up. This is the Osmo Pocket Handheld Grip by Polar Pro. And basically what it is it takes the Polar Pro cage for the Osmo Pocket, combines it with a phone holder and a really cool grip, so you can actually hold your Osmo Pocket while you're vlogging or filming, whatever you're doing with it, and have your phone connected and a microphone connected. Everything is out of the way. It is so streamlined, and I think it was like $39, $35. Such a great deal. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the grip itself. So you can see it's kind of like a pistol back here, and there's a little thumb pad. Sorry, I looked up. There's on my monitor. There's a little thumb pad right here, just like this. So what you do is you take your Osmo Pocket and you put it into the Polar Pro. Sorry, I got it all lightning cable out here like that. So you take your Osmo Pocket, you slide it right into the cage, the Polar Pro cage, and then you just kind of lock it in the back, just like this. Just kind of snap it in, just like that. Connect your lightning adapter, USB-C adapter to the Osmo Pocket, and then it goes right into the grip. So you slide it right down just like this, right into the grip. It's easier if you look at it while you're doing it. So it slides right into the grip. You got to make sure that this little screw on the side is out, because that goes in and holds in the grip. Let me get that right in. So there it is. And then you just screw this right into the Osmo Pocket, the Polar Pro protector on the Osmo Pocket, and now you have a grip. This phone holder will hold up to an iPhone XS Max, according to the box. Fits up to an iPhone XS Max. Now I have an iPhone 7 Plus that I got just for using my drones and my camera stuff. So it just slides in here. Let me put it right in. Just kind of put it up, slide it in, just like this, and then you just slide it to the lightning adapter, just like that. And then you turn your phone on, obviously, and put my passcode in there. Uh-oh, wrong one. Uh-oh. I'll figure it out, I swear. I know my passcode. Alright, so there it is. Turn the Osmo Pocket on, and it'll connect right to your Mimo app. And there it is, all connected. So now, the cool thing about this, and I have my Rode Video Micro attached to my A6300 right now that I'm filming on, but you can attach that down here. I attached a cold shoe right here that you can put the microphone on, or I have a Ceremonic as well, and if you take that into the Osmo Pocket microphone adapter and then plug that directly in to the Osmo Pocket, now you have a microphone down here as well, and if you're familiar with the Ceremonic mic, you can rotate it in any direction to pick up whoever you're talking to. So if you're interviewing somebody, you can just rotate this mic that way. That's the and with the cold shoe, obviously you have to unmount it, remount it back on, and change the direction depending on what microphone you have. So overall, really cool. Up top, we have a 1/4-20 screw for attaching another accessory. Most people attach some kind of an LED light to it to get more light in their shots. And then again on the bottom, you can attach a tripod here. If the microphone was in this cold shoe, you can attach your tripod right here and then just mount it wherever, or put some kind of a handheld tripod on there and then just walk around and vlog. But this is so easy, and you just kind of, it's so easy to hold the Osmo Pocket this way. Keeps your fingers away from any mic ports. If you're using the onboard microphone in the Osmo Pocket, the microphone ports are not blocked at all from the what's it called? The handheld grip. So this is a fantastic device, and I highly recommend it. I would go to Polar Pro's website and just grab one right now. It's going to make your life so much easier when vlogging, or just trying to keep that steady shot when you're filming. You know how difficult it is to hold this Osmo Pocket and not block up the audio inputs or touch the screen, what have you. It's a great device. So that's it. Quick review today of the Polar Pro handheld grip. Go check it out on their website. I'll put a link below, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.